Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this quick video, I want to show you guys a 15.6-inch portable touchscreen monitor that was sent out to me to review. So I'm going to unbox this, show you guys exactly what you're going to get in the box, as well as set it up connected to one of my computers and show you some of the cool touch features. Now it has 10 points of touch on the screen, which I think is going to be more than enough for most applications, but we'll find out once we get to the installation portion of this video. So let's go ahead and take this guy back to the desk and unbox it and see exactly what we get. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get right to it. Let's take a look at what we get in the box. All right, as you can see here, this is well packaged, nice foam material to protect the monitor. You also receive a starter manual that's going to kind of walk you through all of the different features of the manual in multiple languages. That's nice to see. Here's the actual monitor itself. We're going to come back to that in just a second. Let's take a quick look at the included accessories. We receive what looks to be a USB-C to USB-A cable. So you're going to get one of these. You also receive a power brick. We receive a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is going to be for connecting to your computer. Very nice. Feels great in the hands. Beautiful connections. All right, that's a win. And we have a standard HDMI. This looks like a full-size HDMI. Yes, this is a full-size HDMI to full-size, nope, sorry, full-size HDMI to mini HDMI. So this is going to be a transition cable, so you have that included with it as well. Let's take a look at the actual monitor. All right, guys, you can see it comes with a screen protector for the monitor. This goes all the way around, kind of a scratch-proof material. Now, the way these usually work is they have these little channels here where the monitor is going to sit down into those little channels, and that's going to allow it to sit upright like you guys are seeing here. Now, on this side, we have our menu button, we have our power button, and we have our headphone jack right here. On the opposite side, we have our micro HDMI. We have two additional USB-Cs here. One does show for power. So if you're going to be connecting this to, say, something like a phone or tablet that can't supply power to it, you will have to provide power. That's why you receive, one of these so that you can connect it and also provide power to it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this guy connected. Let's connect this up to a computer. This is the USB-C to USB-C cable. We're just going to plug this in here to this MacBook, like you guys see here. Connect. And then we're going to power on this monitor. Well, as you guys can see, the monitor is already turned on, and I have a message here to allow. So now I can move things from one monitor to the other. As you guys should be able to see here, I'm able to move things around. Let me move this monitor a little bit closer so you guys can see. We are able to adjust the monitor. Let me go in and bring up the brightness here so you guys should be able to see this a little bit better. All right, so I can now grab this bar that I have here, and I can drag this thing around anywhere I want to. I can also scroll down, and I can access any of the applications that I normally would access, on my MacBook. And as you guys see, I only needed one cable to connect everything. So I think this is a win, guys. This is a win. So whether you're doing photo editing, video editing, just watching a bunch of content, doing a little bit of Photoshop, whatever the case is going to be, this is going to give you the ability to have access. Now, again, this is a touch screen. So as you guys see, I can now grab things with just my finger, and I can move them around the screen. But as you guys can see, I can easily move this around. Let me open something larger just so you guys can see what that looks like. So let's open this Finder, and I want you guys to be able to see exactly what I'm doing here. So right now I'm using the touchpad on the Mac to move this around, but we're going to go over here and just grab this. As you guys can see, now I can grab and move this anywhere I want to just by touching fingers. So if you are that type of person that you like touching your screen, I'm going to admit I'm not a person that likes a lot of fingerprints on my screen. But if that's you and you're looking for a large monitor, 15-inch monitor, it just depends on how you're setting everything up. But then again, you also have the ability to connect headphones to this. I like this. I like this setup, guys. This is going to be very, portable, travel friendly. And as you guys can probably see, this is larger than my 13-inch MacBook here. So if you have a larger MacBook or PC, it's going to work just as well. So yes, I would say this is a win. Okay, guys, I want to test this with a smartphone. So we're just going to plug this smartphone in. This is an iPhone, so just USB-C going into this monitor. And let's make sure that our power is on. And I don't know how well you guys can see it, but now we have the screen is now on here. So I can scroll through and you can easily connect your smartphone to this, play videos, read emails, whatever the case is going to be. So yes, very easy. Now I did have to add power to this. So I have this little power station connected to this, but other than that, this is a win. So yes, I would honestly say this is going to be for someone a great little portable monitor to take out with you on, your day trips, working from home, working in home office, man cave, she shed. This is a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Hopefully this video has been helpful. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.